स्पिरिचुअलिटी की बात में हम बहुत बार सोचते हैं कि अगर हम कुछ इन्वेस्ट करें तो क्या वो पैसे हमारे पास वापस आएंगे, कहाँ से लाएं पैसे, यूनिवर्स है तो उसको दिखता क्यों नहीं है। आज मैं किसी ऐसे इंसान के साथ बैठी हूँ जो ऑटोमेटिक राइटिंग 1 कर रही हैं। इनकी जर्नी शुरू हुई थी काली कोड से और वहाँ से इन्होंने किया मनी वर्कशॉप। यह मैं खुद ही नहीं जानती हूँ, बट मनी वर्कशॉप से इन्होंने अपने आप किसी तरीके से मैनिफेस्ट किया ऑटोमेटिक राइटिंग 1 को। They say when the student is ready, the master appears. So let's hear it from her. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Manisha. I am from Pune. I actually happened to meet ma'am via Kali Code, and it actually didn't happen, like that. I was actually supposed to visit Kamakhya, and something happened, and I was not I was not able to go there. I had to cancel my tickets. Then suddenly her podcast aired. That actually gave me some energy, some message back from a divine energy that yes, this is what exactly you're supposed to do. This is how you're supposed to, go further. The Kali Code, I also want to talk about the Kali Code.
Please.
There was one ritual which ma'am actually takes you through. There are a lot of, good, learnings which she gives you. There are one specific ritual which, turns you to leave all your baggages, which helps you to really think, create some space, and then rethink where you're supposed to go on. That really helped me in moving to Kali Code, Money Workshop. There are a lot of other workshops which I did, and then I also enrolled for automatic writing in them, das Mahavidya as well.
Wow.
So this is how my journey, came across with ma'am. But her energy is spectacular, very great one. I really wanted to talk about that as well. She, your presence itself makes you create some space within your mind, heart, to go and think with a very calm space, what exactly next. Usually, automatic writing, as I said, is supposed to, give you a lot of answers as you channel through. But your presence itself makes you think, okay, this is the next. This is the next. There are, events which usually happens, and I had to channel you as my guide, and you really helped me through.
Thank you.
So I'm really grateful for that.
Thank you. Thank you. So guys, what I want to say is that when you are ready, the universe takes 10 steps. आप एक कदम ले रहे, यूनिवर्स 10 कदम लेगा, लेकिन उन्हीं लोगों के लिए 10 कदम लेता है जो पहला कदम बहुत फेथ से लेते हैं। मैं सिर्फ एक मीडियम हूँ। मनीषा के लिए डिवाइन वॉज ऑलवेज रेडी, माँ कामाख्या वॉज रेडी, एंड देन द 10 महाविद्या आर रेडी। तो ज़रूरी ये नहीं है कि आपकी स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी पे आप महाविद्याओं को चैनल करें या माता माख्या को करें या ऑटोमेटिक राइटिंग करें या मनी वर्कशॉप करें या ताली कोड करें। ज़रूरी ये है कि आप अपनी स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी कितने रेडी हैं और किस स्टेज से आगे बढ़ रही हैं। कीप स्टार्टिंग।